Following the eruption of Kanlaon Volcano last night, June 3, a preemptive evacuation was done to secure the residents near Mount Canlaon. And help from the government and national agencies were delivered immediately, such as the family food packs. Currently, Canlaon City is now placed under state of calamity. 5 barangays in the city were affected by the eruption: Pula, Masulog, Malaiba, Lumapaw, and Linuthang. Meanwhile, the local government unit has initially reported more than 2,000 farmers affected. According to Mayor Jose Chubasco Cardenas, the assistance will be given to the farmers once the system is plotted and meeting with the Agriculture Department is done. In a press conference earlier today, June 4, Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian said, apart from the food packs distributed, the department is ready to respond and help the residents recover.
Napag-usapan din namin kanina yung mga iba pang pwedeng intervention bukod sa family food packs kung lalala ang ating sitwasyon. Gaya ng template na ibigay ng Pangulo namin sa DSWD, family food packs muna para masigurado natin na walang nagugutom, and then later on financial assistance para naman yung mga pangangailangan ng mga pamilya na hindi matatagpuan sa loob ng kahon na ibinibigay ng family food pack, maaari nilang mabili on their own. Pero wala pa tayo doon ngayon. Gusto lang namin i-assure ang ating mga lokal na pamahalaan na ang pamahalang nasyonal ay nakatutok, kaya personal akong inatasan ng Pangulo.
Gladys Tuwabi, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.